Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online in 2020 by clicking. It pays with PayPal and it is available in all countries. A perfect method to earn passive income while working at home. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. The name of the website via which we will be making money today is PaidEra. Before going with the faces, I recommend watching this video so that you can set it up on your own. It will make the processes more understandable and followable. Pay attention because I'll be going over a lot of materials here, including how the website works, how to sign up, and how to profit from it. This website is incredibly user-friendly because it will allow you to make quick payment requests and will be available on both mobile and desktop platforms. So, how does the website work? PaidEra genuinely compensates you for completing surveys. To receive quick cash, all you have to do is complete surveys and press random buttons. One of the best benefits of this business is that you can expect to receive fast cash on your first day. You can cash out your money as soon as you reach the minimum payout, which is this amount, and you'll get paid the next day. They include a variety of surveys that you may complete every day because there is no limit to how much money you can earn per day. And if you stick with me until the conclusion of this video, I'll reveal a hidden tip that you can use right immediately. As you can see, there are numerous ways to generate money on PaidEra. But a quick look around the site demonstrates why PaidEra is regarded as the best. It claims that the website will provide you with limitless number of activities and that you will be able to invite your friends to take part in the chores for which you will get compensated. Isn't it fantastic? PaidEra also allows you to profit from your own social network. Finally, you can see that they offer instant payouts on this page. All you have to do is fulfill the minimum payout requirements and request your quick cash. Which is simple to do because their website is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. To summarize, PaidEra allows you to sign up for a variety of projects. If you scroll down further, you'll see a list of projects that you may complete on your own. Taking surveys, sharing videos, inviting and referring people, and even writing articles about them are all ways to get additional money. The website community provides a variety of activities on a single page. Today, many users have performed millions of tasks and over 1 million people have gotten their pay. So, what are the advantages of PaidEra? You'll be able to choose from a variety of possibilities because it's the only website that offers different revenue streams on a single platform. You can complete basic surveys, take surveys about your chosen field, take limitless quizzes at any time, invite your friends and family, and avoid working on several sites and having your profits split, which makes withdrawal more difficult. If you're still not satisfied about their website, click this link to see their proofs and reviews. It will take you to this page where you may read various PaidEra member feedback. To get started, go to this page and select Create an Account from the drop-down menu. Just push the button, To make your own username, fill up the blanks with your basic information, then input your first and last names. Make sure to provide both your email address and your password. To proceed, simply click that button after filling out the fields. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. You'll be requested to log into your newly created account when you've completed the sign-up procedure. Following that, you'll be brought to your dashboard where you can quickly check your overall profits. I'd like to show you some samples of various surveys that you might face. You can now take surveys like this and earn this much in less than a couple of minutes once you've entered into your account. I see what you're thinking now. The surveys here are only for these sum, and I understand that it isn't much money. But if you do a lot of surveys in a day, you can easily double or triple your money by simply clicking on these links. Now is the time to start taking surveys. The truth is that you are not bound to complete the survey. You can choose any option and still make money with Paid Era. All you have to do for the first question is click on any button you like. Scroll down and click on the next button, since that's all there is to do on the page. You'll have to repeat the process a few times, but you can keep getting money by pressing random buttons. Isn't it much too straightforward? Another advantage is that once you've completed the first 10 surveys, you'll be able to access surveys that pay twice as much, and you'll be able to keep doubling your money. As a result, make certain that you continue to perform what you're doing. You may be wondering why the website compensates you for clicking buttons. They pay you to push the continue button so that their advertisements will appear on their website. You may see one ad over here, another over here, and yet another over here if you look closely. The reason there are so many buttons to click is that they want you to accidentally click on an ad so that they can make money, which is why they try to cram as many ads as possible onto a single page. They want you to keep scrolling through their pages and pressing the continue button in the hopes that you'll accidentally click on one of these advertisements, allowing them to profit. So if you want to save time, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click continue. Then repeat the process as needed. Remember to ignore the commercials because their sole purpose is to confuse you. This is a terrific beginner strategy that anyone can use from anywhere in the world if they follow the procedure I've outlined in this video. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online in 2020 by clicking. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.